Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Cread. Today I'm going to show you how to make the ELEC Lego puzzle box. If you want to see the solution, how to solve this puzzle box, you can head on to Totally's channel. You'll find the solution there and I'll link the channel in the description below. So let's start with the base.
First I'll take 3 2x3 plates and 2 2x1s and a 1x3 plate and join them together just like this. Then take a 4x4 plate and place it right here, joining all the pieces together. Now I'll take a 1x4 plate, a 1x3 plate and a 2x1 plate goes on the corner, and the base is ready. Now let's continue with the base. I'll take a 1x4 tile, a 2x1 plate, another 2x1 plate, a 2x1 tile or a grill, both work, a 2x2 tile, a 2x1 plate, a 1x3 plate, another 1x2 plate, a 1x1 plate, a 2x1 tile and a 1x1 tile goes there. Now I'll take a 2x1 tile and place it there, another 2x1 tile, and these tiles should not be grills as tiles can slide and grills cannot. Then a 2x1 plate, a 1x1 plate, a 2x1 transparent brick, and over it I'll place a 2x1 tile or a grill on this stud right there, like this. Now I'll take two 2x1 plates which will go on the edges. Now I'll take a 2x4 brick, place it there, a 1x4 plate and a 1x1 plate goes there on the edge. Now we'll make the sliding button. So for that I'll take a 2x1 brick, place a 2x4 plate over it like this, then take two 2x1 transparent bricks and place them under the 2x4 plate like this. Then place a 2x2 tile over the 2x4 plate, a 2x1 tile, a 2x1 brick, a 1x1 plate, that's a tile, a 1x1 tile, and another 2x1 tile goes there to finish off the button. Then I'll take the base of the puzzle and just place this button on these two studs. These two bricks will go on these two studs like this, and the sliding button is also ready. Then I'll take a 2x2 plate, a 2x3 plate, a 1x1 brick and a 1x4 brick will go on the edge right there. Make this be straight. Now I'll take a 2x2 plate and place a 2x1 grill over it like this. Then take two 1x2 plates with round corners, and the round corners are important. Place them one over the other and place this piece right under this 2x1 grill like this. It's smooth right now, it's just floating. We'll fix it in place afterwards. Then I'll take a 2x4 brick, two 2x1 bricks, a 1x4 brick and a 1x1 brick will go on the corner to finish off this layer. And I'll just spin the box so that this empty space is facing towards me. Now I'll take a 1x3 plate, a 1x4 plate, another one, a 2x1 plate and a 2x4 plate goes there. Now I'll take a 1x4 brick, a 1x4 plate, a 2x1 plate, a 2x4 plate, a 1x4 plate this is, a 1x1 tile goes there, a 1x1 plate on the corner, a 1x1 plate right there, a 2x1 tile, a 1x1 plate, and another 1x1 tile goes there like this. And now I'll take these two pieces, two 1x1 plates, two 1x1 tiles, so sorry, these are two 1x1 tiles which will go right there. Now I'll take a 2x2 round plate and a 2x2 round brick over it, a 2x1 brick with round corners. If you don't have a 2x1 brick with round corners, you can stack 3 2x1 plates with round corners and it forms a brick. So I'll just place it there. And a 2x1 tile, a money tile. This should be something special as it's going to be the treasure. Then I'll take this piece and place it on those two studs, the round plates that we placed there earlier. Just like this. Then take a 1x3 plate, a 1x4 brick, two 1x1 tiles, another one goes there. Then take a 1x1 brick and a 1x3 brick will go there like this. Now we'll make the 3 sliders of the puzzle. So I'll take a 2x1 transparent brick, a 1x1 plate will go over it like this, a 1x3 plate, and two 2x1 tiles will go one here and another one right here like this, and the first slider is ready. For the second one, I'll take another 2x1 transparent brick and place a 2x1 tile over it. You can even take grills as I've taken grills. And then I'll repeat the same process, a 2x1 transparent brick and a 2x1 tile. And the 3 sliders are ready. Then I'll take the base of the puzzle, take the first slider which is the green one and place it on that 1x1 plate in there, right there besides the money tile, with this piece overlapping the money tile like this. And it should be able to slide like that. Then I'll take this piece, place it on this plate like that, and then take this one, place it on this 1x1 plate like this, and this should also be able to slide just like that. Then I'll take a 2x1 plate, a 1x1 plate, another 2x1 plate, a 1x1 like this. Then I'll take 2 more 2x1 plates, place them on the edges, and a 1x1 plate will go on the corner right there to finish off this layer. Then I'll take a 1x4 plate, a 2x1 plate, another one goes there, another 2x1 plate, a 1x3 plate, a 2x1 plate, and a 1x1 plate will go there like that. Then I'll take a 1x4 brick, a 2x4 brick, a 2x3 brick, a 2x2 round brick will go there on the 2x1 plate like this, and a 1x3 brick goes there. Now I'll take a 1x4 plate which has only 2 studs on the corners, and a 1x1 plate, a 2x1 plate, a 1x1 tile, a 2x2 brick, a 1x1 brick, a 1x1 tile will go there like that. This piece goes on the corner, a 1x1 plate, another one over it, and a 1 by 1 tile will go there. Then I'll take a 2 by 3 brick and a 2 by 1 plate. Then I'll take a 2 by 1 plate, a 2 by 2 plate, a 2 by 1 tile goes there, and another 2 by 1 tile will go on that stud like this. Now take a 2 by 1 plate, a 1 by 1 plate will go right there on this stud, and a 1 by 4 plate. And I have taken a 1 by 4 plate with only 2 studs. You can take one with all the 4 studs. Here it is optional, but where I took the white one, that's compulsory. Then I'll take a 2 by 1 plate, which will go right there. And a 1 by 1 plate is going to go right there. Just like this. Now I'll take a 1 by 3 brick, another one will go here, a 1 by 1 brick, a 1 by 4 brick, a 2 by 4 brick is going to go there, and another 1 by 1 brick will go on that corner like this. Now I'll take these 3 pieces, a 2 by 2 brick, a round brick, and place a 2 by 2 plate under it like this, and a 2 by 2 jumper plate with 1 stud will go right there. And then I'll take the base of the puzzle, the main puzzle, and take this piece and place it on that 1 by 1 plate under there, the red one, just like this. Now I'll take a 1 by 4 tile, a 2 by 1 jumper plate, a 1 by 1 tile, another 1 by 4 tile will go there, and another 1 by 1 tile, a 2 by 4 tile goes there, and then I'll take a 1 by 6 tile as the tool and place it on these 2 studs just like this, and the puzzle is ready. If you like this video and found the tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Cread. Thank you for watching.